Mookie Betts, the DH, leads off, batting second. The left fielder, Andrew Benintendi. J.D. Martinez in right field will hit third. Cleaning up, shortstop Xander Bogaerts. Masahiro Tanaka, he's 12-5 with a 3.47 ERA. You see his numbers for the season. That one is drilled deep to left field. Does it have the height? No, it's off the wall. Andrew McCutchen fields. He'll get the ball in, and Betts has a leadoff double.
Well, Mookie Betts is a guy that...
Soft ground ball to first. Voit to Tanaka as Betts moves to third. And the pitch. Grounded up the middle and through for a base hit. Betts will score, and that breaks a string of 20 1/3 scoreless innings for Tanaka. Gives the Red Sox. Runner goes, swing and a miss, throw to second, goes into center field. So Martinez gets a stolen base and moves to third on the throwing error by Sanchez. Swing and a miss. It took 31 pitches. Tanaka gets out of the first, and by Aaron Boone. Left fielder Andrew McCutchen leads off. And batting second and playing right, Aaron Judge.
Boston lefty starting tonight, and on the year 12-4, 3.53 ERA, only 36 walks.
Perception.
Yep.
And another walk and another bat toss for Andrew McCutchen. And we'll take a look at the Red Sox defense, and as I see, swing and a miss. He gets Judge with a pitch up in the zone, one away. Runner goes, pitch is low, throw to second, got him. McCutchen caught stealing by Christian Vasquez.
Vasquez really got rid of this ball quick. I thought McCutchen had a pretty good break.
And the 3-2. Into right center field on the run is Bradley. He can't get there, and it's up against the wall as Hicks picks up a 2-out double. And the pitch. And a walk. 1-2. High drive, right field, going back. Martinez on the track. He'll make the play for the final out. Line on the short hop and off the glove of Torres, who kind of olayed it. So Devers will reach. We'll see how that scored. There's a base hit to left center field. McCutchen cuts it off, throws behind Devers. Swihart picks up a single. Grounded, fair ball. Voit makes the play at first. The runners move up.
It's just not been called tonight. Good pitch right there. Big out.
Line drive, a base hit, right center field. That'll score two. So a 2-run single for Betts. It's 3-0 Boston. Right back to Tanaka. And he gets Benintendi. But the Red Sox get 2 runs on 3 hits with 1 man left on. And a walk to Gary Sanchez. High fly ball, deep center. Bradley back, turning, looking, see ya! A 2-run home run for Voit. And the Yankees are on the board in a loud way. And that home run is historic. This Yankee team has now hit more home runs than any Yankee team in history. And this Yankee team now has 12 players with double-figure home runs. That's the most.
The first couple homers he hit, there was just smile and joy. And
2-2. A base hit through the left side. Goes. Fly ball right field. Martinez there makes the play, and that'll do it. But the Yankees get on the board, and they do it in a loud way. Grounded to third, and Duhar gets Martinez. High fly ball, deep right field, and there it goes. See ya! A home run for Holt, and it's 4-2 Red Sox.
Mean anything bad about Brock Holt, but there's some guys you got to get out because their big hitters are going to get you.
Gregorius gets Devers at second. Swing and a miss. Hicks down on strikes, 1 away.
Well, Well, again, you see that ball in off the plate. It's not, and he's going well.
Gregorius hits one through the left side of the infield, a base hit. So first and second, one man out for the Yanks, and that'll bring up Andújar. High fly ball, left field. Benintendi back. On the track, he'll make the play. Runners head back. And he tips one into the glove of Vasquez, and that'll do it. Soft ground ball to Gleyber Torres. He gets Jackie Bradley Jr. Fly ball, right center. Hicks is there. How about that? A 1-2-3 inning. That one is drilled to left field, but right there is Benintendi for the first out.
You know, the funny thing is, Michael, if you are a lineup.
3-2. He works a walk. And the pitch. Another walk. 7 walks. A rough night for Eduardo Rodriguez. But can the Yankees cash in? Stick around. Rodriguez. And Cora goes to Heath Hembree. His 63rd game. He's 4-1 with a 4. That one is driven to right field and deep. Martinez back, looking up. See ya! A grand slam for Stanton. And the Yankees lead 6-4. Oh, did he need that?
It's amazing how certain at-bats will make you forget about a couple at-bats before. I'll tell you what.
And a curtain call for Stanton.
He's due for a hot streak, and the timing couldn't be better.
High fly ball, deep left center on the run is Hicks, and he's going to turn and play it off the wall. And Betts has his 3rd hit of the game. A leadoff double here in the 5th. Line to left field. It's a base hit in front of McCutchen. They will hold Betts up as the throw comes into Andújar. So first and second, nobody out. Did not break. So Boone takes the ball from Tanaka. You know what I was just thinking of, guys? The good people of Boston had to listen to John Sterling.
That hit on. 2 outs, 0-2 pitch.
Grounded to short. This should be 2. There's 1. There's 2. Betts scores, but they get a double play on the hard hit grounder, and the Yankees lead 6-5.
You'll take that trade right there. One of the better hitters, Yankees, and it is the Red Sox.
Bogart swings and misses to end the top of the 5th. Swing and a miss. And Luke Voit is robbed of a hit. Leaping try by Holt for the final out. And the new pitcher for the Yankees is Chad Green.
Games to get him back into game shape where you can trust him. I would not doubt.
Swing and a miss. Devers strikes out, 2-away. Swing and a miss. A perfect inning for Green as he strikes out the side. Red Sox go down and swing and a miss. Torres down on strikes. That'll bring it. Popped up. Holt is there. And the bullpen has certainly brought some semblance of. That one's driven deep to right field. There it goes. See ya. Tie game. 6-6 on the home run by Bradley.
Bradley's been swinging for that fence. Like the whole...
Line to right field. It's a base hit in front of Judge. Vasquez picks up a single. Go to Dylan Betances with a runner on first base. Nobody out here at the 7th inning. This game is tied at 6. Breaking ball, strike 3. Froze Betts. That one is ripped down the right field line. It's a base hit. It's going to go into the corner. Judge will play it quickly. Vasquez is at third. They'll hold him there as Judge gets the ball in. Well, the Yankees are going to intentionally walk J.D. Martinez. 1-2. High fly ball. That should get a run in. Hicks makes the catch. The throw is to third. Lynn scores. The throw goes off of Andujar and into the seats. And that'll allow another run to score. And it is 8-6 Red Sox. Swing and a miss. Holt down on strikes, but the damage is done. Red Sox 3 runs. Hit sharply to third. Devers. And the backhanded scoop by Swihart. Grounded up the middle, and the Yankees finally get a base runner against Stephen Wright. High fly ball, left field. Benintendi is there, and that will do it here in the 7th. Get yourself checked if you're over the age of 40. And Chapman deals to Devers, and Devers laces a single left. Back coming off the DL. You see what he did before going on the DL in 50 games, good numbers. Inside to Bradley, so he gets walked. First and second, 1 man out here in the 8th inning. Swing and a miss. One more time. 2 away. High fly ball, left field. That ball is gone. A 3-run home run for Betts. A dagger. And the Red Sox lead 11-6.
You throw enough sliders in a certain count, and then Mookie Betts is just too good of a hitter. He has hit fastballs. He has hit sliders. That is his 30th of the year.
Good season for Holder.
102 games.
Martinez with a fly ball to Judge. Final out. What's the other name, David? His 31st game of the year. Now, how odd is this? The guy who restored. Swing and a miss. Voit down on strikes. And the 2-2. Ground ball to second. Holt to Moreland. This will be his 5th game. He's pitched 4 innings, allowed 6 hits, walked 3, struck out 3. As Devers down on strikes. And down goes Moreland.
Mr. Kimbrell's going to come in and close this out for the Red Sox.
High fly ball, right field. On the run is Martinez. He cannot get there, and he kicks it around in right field. McCutchen round second. He will go to third, and he will make it standing. Swing and miss. Got the fastball by Judge for the first out. And the pitch. Swing and a miss, and that'll do it as the Red Sox clinch the American League East for the 3rd straight year. And that's the first time in their history they've won their division or league 3 years in a row.